And as you just saw, we started sanding the bed. Here is what we got done. This is really smooth. Everything turned out really good right here. And we have just a little bit left. We have to sand that part on the bed right there. So right now, let's go ahead and start sanding down all this primer.
So we're done sanding the primer. The bed and the truck are all sanded. Right now we're gonna have to sand the paint, where we're gonna have to paint, and it's gonna be the same way as sanding the primer, 600 grit sandpaper with a block and warm water, of course. So we're gonna sand that down off camera so that we could do it quicker, so that we could focus on it. But right now we're gonna be pulling the frame on the truck. So in the last video, we showed you guys how the frame is bent, and we showed you with the ruler, the way it's bent. You can see this right here. There's a gap. So let's begin pulling the frame. So right now we're gonna wrap the chain around here and then around here, and we're gonna put the puller right here so that it pulls it up, so that it pulls this end up, because this end went down in the accident.
guys, now we got the same setup right here, and we're gonna start pulling this frame up. Alright guys, look at this, it's perfect. All 3 points match up. That means the frame is done, and we were done in about, what, 30 minutes?
Took us like 30 minutes to do both sides.
Yeah. So now we got this completed.
So right now we're gonna measure everything if it's all straight. We're gonna measure from this point to this point, and then we're gonna do the same on this side. And if the measurements are the same, that means everything is straight. It's about 48 inches, and it's about 48 inches too, so.
Perfect.
It's the same on both sides, and visually from the side they look the same, but let's measure it from the floor also. This might not be completely accurate because we don't have a frame machine, and the floor might not be completely level, but we should measure from here to here, and it's 33 inches, yeah.
Yeah, 33 inches.
And let's see on this side.
That's 33 inches too, check it out.
Yeah, it's also 33
Perfect.
inches. It seems like the whole frame is completely the way it's supposed to be from the factory. We might undercoat it, we might paint it, we still don't know what we're gonna do with that. So now with the frame done, there's still shiny paint that we have to sand with 600 grit and a sanding block. So we'll catch you when it's gonna be done. So it's a day later and we're done sanding all the paint. Everything is matte, everything is sanded, and I think somebody did a DIY at-home bed liner spraying because they left some masking tape over here, which is pretty cool. They did a really good job with this. So we already picked up some paint for the truck, and it's ready to get masked off and sprayed, but that's gonna be for another video. So stay tuned for the next video, which is gonna be about spraying the paint and the clear coat onto the truck. So with that being said, be sure to snatch yourself some merch. Go follow us on Patreon. Follow us on Instagram and drop a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any uploads in the future. So with that being said, we'll see you guys next video.